Hello, welcome to Audio Design Solution. This is Yogesh. Today we are going to do a simple design exercise in nx-cad. As you are seeing now, let us start with the part design. Now we need to draw this half circle. Dimension radius is 41. If you observe here, 41. First of all, we will draw that one. Click on new, put as a model, then click OK. Then try to select the extrude command, sketch it. Draw the circle. Dimension radius 41. Draw on horizontal line. Or else simply select the profile line. Again draw here. Now trim the unnecessary lines. Click on finish. Extrude the part up to 50. Then we need to draw this outer radius. For that one, select the extrude command. Select this one. Now we need to draw the one circle. Let's see what dimension radius. Dimension 90 radius. Here put as a radius. We need to put 90 radius. Yes. Same again as it is. Select the profile lines, draw it. Trim unnecessary lines. Click on finish. Extrude the part up to 10. Now click OK. Again try to select the extrude command. Click on face. Now we need to draw this. We need to draw the one circle with radius 29. Select the circle, draw the circle and then give the dimensions. Radius is 29. Click on finish. Extrude the part but in reverse direction up to 60. Let's see preview. Yeah, perfect. Click OK. Again we need to draw the, select the face. Now we need to draw the slots. The upper circle they mentioned 34. Try to draw the one circle with radius 34. Radius should be 34. Yes. And then we need to draw the another circle with 29 radius. Yes. And then make it one vertical line. Now try to draw the simply mirror this line. Select that line, select and mirror command, select the center line. Perfect. Click OK. Select the rapid angle distance. They mentioned here they put as 25, 30. Is enough. Now try to trim the unnecessary lines. Select on quick trim. Click on finish. Extrude the part but in reverse direction up to 60. Enter. Let's see preview. Perfect. Click OK. Now we need to do the pattern. Select the pattern future command. Select that slot. Click OK. $180. Not an issue. Put as 360, but increase the, put as 13. Let's see preview. Yeah, perfect. Then click OK. Now we need to draw this slots and these circles. Select the extrude command, select this plane. Yeah, let's see dimensions. they mentioned 82 radius and then 50 radius. Select the circle, draw another circle, radius it should be 80 or 89, sorry 82, they mentioned 82. Close it, and then for this also radius 50, yeah, and try to draw the one center axis line. Try to draw the one angle line. And here also. Select the rapid angle distance. Make it this one 45, 65, perfect. 25 is perfect. Click OK. Select the fillet command. The radius should be put as 5 for all. Radius 5, and here also radius 5. Okay. Now trim the unnecessary lines. Now try to draw one circle. With 15. And make it one circle here with dia 10. Now try to trim mirror this. Simply select the you need to trim unnecessary lines here. We didn't trim these lines. Here also. Close. Now try to select the mirror command. Select the center line to automatically transfer. Click OK, Again select the circle, or I'll select the center line, click OK. Yeah, click on finish, click on finish. Extrude the part but in reverse direction up to 10. Let's see preview. Yeah, click OK. Design is almost over. Now we need to do the now we need to draw the slots. For that one, select the extrude command, select this plane. Now try to draw the circle. And then try to draw the select the mirror command, mirror it. Now try to trim the unnecessary lines. Click on finish. Extrude the part up to 25. Click OK. Yeah, now we need to draw the holes for this slots. Simply select the circle and draw with dia 12. Mirror it. Click OK. Finish. But in reverse direction. Click OK. Yeah. Design is over. Now we need to add the color. Apply. Yeah, design is over. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, do subscribe to my channel.